Hi everyone, we're here today to talk to you about the life cycle of a case at our firm. We've talked to you before about the different departments that have specialists in each area that are focused in that particular area so that you have the best service while you're with our firm and we can provide the highest level of quality in our investigation and litigation process. So those 5 departments include investigation and intake, pre-litigation and medical legal review, litigation, probate, and administration. We've talked to you about intake and investigation, and today I wanted to talk to you about our pre-litigation and medical legal review department. So really there's 3 different steps that are involved in working up the case when it's in the pre-litigation and medical legal review state. So in pre-litigation, we focus on first gathering all of the initial evidence and medical records. Second, we investigate the corporate entities that are involved in the elder abuse and neglect of your loved one. And third, we have experts on staff and we have outside experts that review the case to make sure the case is a bona fide case and has the proper foundation to go forward in the lawsuit. So first, let's talk about the initial investigation. So this is really where we need your help. This is when you will talk to our case managers. They will talk to you about your family and your loved ones so that we can get to know you and really tell your loved one's story. Please tell us all of the things that you remember while you were at the nursing home and all the things that you loved about being around your loved one when you were growing up and how special they were to you. The more information you provide to us, the better we can present your case. We gather medical records based on the information that you provide. You're the one that lets us know what facilities they've been at, what hospitals they've stayed at, and what happened to them while they're in the nursing home. Based on this initial investigation, that's really the jumping off point so we know where to go in the lawsuit. So we really need you to be as open and honest as possible with us and provide all of the documents and information that you've gathered during the time that your loved one was in the nursing home or assisted living facility. After we get that information, we order medical records. It's very important to have the facility records and any kind of post-incident or accident records and billing so that we can see what the medical records say about what happened, or if they even say what happened. That's another jumping off point or a starting point in our investigation. Many times the medical records will have additional information in them that you didn't even know about. A lot of times they will be incidents that occurred that the facility might not have even talked to you about. So it's really important that we get all of the medical records and look at those carefully in preparing the case. Second, we investigate the corporation, the facility where your loved one stayed at, and then also the corporation that governed that facility. Almost always there are different layers of ownership that have a role in the care that's provided at the facility level. So corporations structure themselves in different ways. They call themselves management companies, real property owners, all kinds of different entities that come together that are supposed to be acting in your loved one's best interest. And we make sure that we know everything that we can about that corporate entity at the top and all the way down so that we can make sure we can investigate all aspects of the care that they did provide and the care that they should have provided. Finally, after we've gathered this information, we provide it to our nursing experts and also our physician experts to review the case and prepare for the lawsuit. All jurisdictions require expert testimony in these cases, and with our firm, we get those expert reviews at the very beginning so that we know exactly how to craft the case as we go forward and turn over every rock along the way so that we can properly prepare the case and get it ready for litigation. So thank you so much for joining us. We would just remind you, please be forthcoming with all of the information that you have and the documents that you have. Keep those documents close to you so that you can look at them often, and know that we're working with you and you're an integral part of the case. We're partners in this, and we really look forward to working with you.